Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Man yarap di gibidan kam jing yarap kade ka wei ka bakum ki pat ba nong song snong jong ka jela kide ban le compare la ka dei ka barit ni ka ba kraw henry ka jing yarap ka ba ki ai ka long ka jing kerku yi kito kibidan kam ka kinhon project cleaning surrounding hapo ka jing yaram jong ba Jefferson Kinjing mentaka sngi ka nyoterik no para arajar arpusau kalalaj namelim pan no Synniang lem sha ka we ka Jaka Khunswet kum kadak ban ai ka jing kershan ya ki kam ki bakilale na ka benta kini ki kena haba keren baru ba Jefferson uliat ho bakum ka kinhon kalawan ban no Synniang lem sha kini ka Jaka ban ai ben sim lem ya ka jing kloy jong ki ban pen ya kini ki kena ki bidan kam jing yaram ula ban rap shoot ka ba ong ba kum ka kinhon ka jule ya kini ka kam na du ki snem ki brada ha ka ba ka kinhon ka no Synniang sha kini ki Jaka da ki marba mardi ki jan ki nem bat da ki wei ki mar ki mata bat ki tiar ki bidan kam ka kinhon ka lumru ye ki Bilor na Kylleng Sawdong ban pen khoi ru ye ka lenti ki singkin bat ka batam ru kat ka ba ki yo na ka ba de ye kini ki Bilor bat ki sanok Synniang bat don bentalang ha ki imlang ka salang
dan gini baya sama ni ting immediate food ni semio ban rai dan yo pergi market di Marbam ting si tempat tu ini cip ada basan ro si kata hi lai pau teli we will see what we can ini ada tempat lagi apapun ni tinggal ada here the daily provision whatever that we can in our capacity mah kita ini gede sampai mentang ini apa yang ni apa ka Sanctuary of Hope Children's Home di ngilang supoi di ngislang banya unload cua kini gijing ai bingi di mana ai ki kadai kalenti da piwan nang kai kadai kebawan naslong kaban lek mentang semelim di swa kati ka turning ngar kali ka sin ning kong ngi poi hang ni di kadai ka ni ka Jaka hang ni gi tu gi khana ki wan yarap ngi mentan di ngin saya rung menta support ngi la de unload ngi ni ki tiar ba wan ra ngi saya pej ki ka long bum ketua ni sini
Belawan kenang hani banwan jemo banwan pet but hot try kali kam sim jahi nerde we try gede kata kam sim heart of compassion ke bidang yakam de bring beduk hot try kani ke bame mabu technology try men tak environment try kani ke sling doi bame men kerti na doi bame men ashwaj i ban pan kre ko try igi break bede men ke kam ga de try ke khti je bame men ashwaj ko try ban pan madan igi Jaka kharam baro
la kano ba nonglang phila don bat kani ka project bat su sobhai tho de phi so kum noi kani ka kam ba phi le menta ka si ba phi wan lang ba Jeff kum ni
ngai kani mta la don las nemo ho ga sutanat matrek ne kam namar ngar ngai wan yang jong ni Khunswet kemudian kami ke pas kadang sutanat matrek ne kam mangin am simlang ki we ta lamat la jong di ban am simlang ki we ba ki we kun stu ta nyok musim kono bangin le kono bangin tre bangin nyarap liang we pa
mentangi don hang ni ka Jaka Khunswet ka ba ki ong ka Sanctuary of Hope hang ni ko lenti banyun melim mo so ban poi ko ka twin resort ka teng chwa tip mentang la klep la pet mentang la klep ting iwan hang ni ngi dawan ka king khia men sim gen ha ba na gi be sa hang ni ngai kendu kong ru ibo pe jang ni bat kunju ru ibo don benta kani ka kam ministry ko don ki ibo ha ki pe ki sumari ini suma ngai iba ngatip lemba jong ki ba kani ka jaka kadi ko su ya wai ki don ka jaka lo jong ke ya wai apu isna ni te ka jaka lo jong ki la no gin snang sna la no te lamar ka jing duna ka rambun pelan naki bo pli hang ni ka ka bai di don mo kita ki bai kot bi hap si ni menta gini kena tempat lah ban player menta ka stem kermen bu play sa play kalan di kita me kita ki bikin hap si ya kita ki bawan ai tim shen ni ka tu kan ni nang ni kita sibun ye jing don kam ma jing duna ni tingi pat na kaliang jungi ho ni dos kanan tan wan gumi na maro rai hi na ki batip ini ngindai tang menta ka sien ngila juan sini man mun ngila jule ni kam man muslim na ke bangilum bilor ka batam bonde ka batam long ngila dip sio hakaba ngi sio ju volunteer ka basna kali ka to kali mun kunam kam sam sa ta kala bam balat pi nele katangi habya limbahi te kaba sa panang tu tinya pelang bumi man muslim ni si lej ibor ibarit jongi ibor bangila begini don bentalang hakim lang salang kumtak na kabupan kuat na ka Sawdong sokon ba tungdien ne ba li ai awareness di school break kami gini rubi ni ya don hi ho cheki sponsor ni don la ka jong hi ke sistem bo ndai ke jing fu pat ku bleu ai ka don hi te abang ni pan prado operasnan bumi ka don pan palat en ni ka jing snow bumi bla long pa mo ni don ni jing snow hai por ba de bumi khian ni le ini ti skawiro bangin sa le biang ka de la khan riu tarik ko bangin ni le sa kan boy na super pat you know la da ti so no men sim nem sa kun ginin na mo men ni ni na paso ila ban phone ni no Synniang ng gitar ni gino tang bai ke yung bralong useless ni hindi ki pat long useful ti tang itahi ka kamjungi ka ban ya tun khu Sawdong sokon ni tungdien bangili ay awareness school ti nang ya le ka hi bor bingila ka jinya be jong kiwi ti palat nang ta ti mau nang matay nang plan namar agni project hi ni ya be ka to 1 day at a time mo man 1 day at a time to mix katahi 1 day at a time so nang translate mo katahi 1 day at a time so kublish won ba abate te mene phila ini bangi don hangni po we are here in this sanctuary of hope as you have seen us earlier now I met with Babate and his wife Pearly. So she's in fact my relative also. Babate is a known, so to say, a unknown friend for a long time. Unknown in the sense we haven't met in person. Known because we were in the same organization earlier. They welcome Babate, and can you tell us something? Kendiat ini ministry jompi.
Okay, thank you, Jeff. Thank you for coming, taking the time all the way to come from Shillong. Tinagaliang zongi ngis ko kemenchibon. In a nutshell, the ministry we started it in the year 2000, but we basically getting training of twofold. The first one is we sponsor the education of underprivileged and poor children now for the last almost 25 years, and perhaps Jaka Jingdon Jukina Gibila Iraq and school maybe. They have crossed around 600 plus children for the last many years. And in the year 2017, because of this experience, we discovered that there are children who are extremely, they call them children in extremely difficult circumstances. Some of them are single, born to single parents, or maybe orphans and so on. They have very Tangban education, it is not enough. They need a proper place to stay. They need a home, so to say. And Kataka experience me and finally in the year 2017, I know you play by the nang prayer church ko done gibangan pastor at the church. He bala asdam bandri maybe 2 or 3 children. They hadian kata ni saya one proper. So we took up this project in the year 2017. Now Tang is a register with the JJ Act. 2014 and he operated in here, but at that same year we looked for a place bagi lakman sedang agri ministry. The aingo ublay lamingin poi have ni Jaka ni nonla, and we are leasing this space for 21 years. Now it's more than 7 years in ayat yang ni Kaba ni. Over the years kini ki New Zealand ki kena Iwan Ilet ki ba Shong asa ni home tree ni aingo ublay ba try to kat ni mi aman ai ki shipri ki rap ki orphan samne ki bawan for East Kasith district. Most of them they are orphans, but you don't have to kill ki semi orphans, so to say, single parents, underprivileged, very poor. We have like education, we have a place to stay, we provide them with everything that is required for a child to be in a home, kabam, gadi, kopkasem, and even the spiritual nurture. They kata kada mungile, but I know you play over the years na iya jinkar khu, jinkar lang, beri ra ka come here. Thank you so much, Jaka. So that's it in a nutshell. Till date nim simyo no ka jingerap, so to say, from the government, either in terms of grants or aid or any form of that. Then amta gabadi but ki individuals come up here, and then organizations like your organization and some other friends and churches, done get honored amta gibri they keep coming to this children's home coming I ka sanctuary of hope. Wala bikiwan ni ki ay ki jingdan kam gubday, some of them ki ay food grains, ki ration, at I don't provide the jan, provide up and see your fees. But kung kita ki rin one ni but celebrate birthday, and it is so nice to have them with us. I will be caretaker, very committed, and a staff of together 4 or 5 people who are in the home. So that's how it is. Thank you so much. God bless.
We hope to partner with you mah. Hekisni banwan kat kum gamon jong play mo kata namar ngiro ni di iseng dang iseng ibarit. Besi lum Bilor, neong Bilor kata term kalau long very common malan. Mengi pun kau aja Sawdong Sawkon lenti kesengkian kejongi sabingi ya nyeng. Tigi tiar ki bengi long ban dia which have some value. Tinggi ya dia kita ni bapelang gumni bab nemba kejung yarap tu perlok kato kan ni tinggi salah barwan sini tinggi kermen mau beli rumang beli kalar kali tinggi sini barwan namar kanu bengile it's only for the glory of God mah pia kato kalani hakani kalani titang hitai te kublai shibon ba
Okay, thank you.
Kublai shibon ya viro